Hi everyone. So today I am going to walk you through some important steps as far as your ePortfolio is concerned. So if you go to your Blackboard course and you go to the GPS portfolio requirements section, there is a link to the ePortfolio login page. However, as we discovered earlier in the semester, if you do not know your password or you need to reset it and you click login and you log in right here, it's not going to give you that option to reset your password. So if you know it, then you can go ahead and log in right here. But if you do not know it, then you will need to type in wallacestate.digication.com. I messed that up. Okay, and so if you go in that way, if you do not know your password or you need to reset it, then you're going to click log in up at the top and you're going to put in your username, which is your A number. It should be your A number unless you are a student that has been here several semesters and you've already taken this class, then it may be something similar to mine, okay? So you can click right here where it says forgot your password. And you can enter either your username or your email, and that most likely is going to be your Wallace State email, and then click reset password, and it's going to send the information you need to your email so that you can reset that. And I actually just had to do that, so do not feel bad if you have to. So then you click log in. All right, so you can see here that I have started working on one month ago, which is probably when I showed it to you guys in class, and then here a year ago. So my version of Digication that I have is the old school version, so that's why you see that I have new ePortfolio set up right here to show you guys how to do it. So if you have not set up your ePortfolio at all, you'll go over here to the plus button. And then you would put your name for your ePortfolio name. And then you are going to go to this ORI 110 student template. So you're going to click that, and then you're going to click create. And it's going to take a few minutes to process each of those steps. We're waiting for that. Okay. So it's going to pop up there. Okay. So what's so great about when you use the student template is it's going to set up all your headings up here for you. The only headings you are required to do for this course is my introduction and my GPS, okay? So for your introduction, you have to type at least 300 words that discusses your educational goals, your hobbies and interests, your background, your involvement in different organizations, your family, anything that you think is important for me to know or for even a future employer that might look at a portfolio to know about you. Okay, so you're going to type that up. You are also going to add a picture of yourself. Remember that this is something you would use in an academic, educational, professional setting, so you probably want your picture to be more on that side. Okay, so then when you want to add sections, you're going to go right here to the plus sign. And say, for example, you are just wanting to include written text. So right here, I have a box. I'm going to say, hello, my name is Haley Nix. I am an English instructor at Wallace State Community College. I currently teach a variety of English courses such as English 101, English 102, and writing and reading for college. I also teach ORI 110. Okay, so I'm going to continue to add to this section until I have my full 300-word introduction. So then if I want to add my picture, I'm going to click this plus sign again, and I'm going to go up here to image. You can upload a file from your computer. Okay, so I don't really know that I have anything that's going to be good to use here. Oh, those are good. Bunch of randomness, 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 random. Looks like screenshots. Oh my goodness. Why do I have so many screenshots? My goodness, this is craziness. These are old too. Okay, here we go. Axe throwing. Okay, so say I want to upload this as my picture. This is not a professional picture, so think a little bit more about your picture than I just did. So I'm going to click upload. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so your picture's going to be more professional than mine. I'm not going to publish this for everyone to see, but I'm going to finish up my introduction, and then I will finish up my picture here, make sure it's professional, and then after I do that, I'm going to click Publish Changes. If you do not click Publish Changes, I cannot see that information. I cannot see it. I cannot stress that enough. So make sure every time you add something new or you edit something or you update something that you are clicking Publish Changes. Okay, so say you want to go back and add more to this introduction, then you're going to have to go right here to this little square with a pen, and this is going to allow you to add to it. Now, if I add more to this and I say, okay, so now I've added to that. So if I add to that, once again, I'm going to have to publish my changes to make sure that the person on the other side that's looking at it, which would be me in your case, can see what I've put. Okay, so it's imperative that you do this, okay? All right, so then I'm going to go over here to my GPS, and this is where you're going to upload the 4 assignments for the class, okay? And I want you guys to realize this orange section is not showing up when I look at it after you publish your stuff. You can see it for assistance and to tell you what to do, but I am not able to see it, okay? All right, so if I go to Module 1 over here, then once again, I'm going to click this addition symbol, and I'm going to add a file. So you want to make sure that your file, your PDF version of your image, it's actually an image for this, so you'd go to image. Your image is saved to your computer so that you can update that picture of that technology checklist right here. Okay, so you'll go upload file, you will find that file, you just click right there, you will find that file on your computer, and then you will upload it. So just say, for example, this is not my technology checklist, but say it is. Say this is my technology checklist. Then I can see right there that my file has uploaded. And I will click upload right here so that it will add it to my actual section. So now you can see, if it was actual image, you would be able to see, I downloaded a file instead, you would be able to see right there you go, the document that I added, okay? So then once again, remember, you're going to have to go up here to the top and click Publish Changes. Same thing for Module 2. Once I grade your Module 2, then you will need to, if I didn't tell you anything you need to fix, then you can just upload the PDF version directly here. But if I said you need to fix something before publishing it here, then you'll need to make those corrections, resave it as a PDF, and upload it here. So once again, you're just clicking the addition sign. You're going to go to File. You're going to find your file. Click here. On your computer, you should have it saved. Look, and now there are decent pictures right there I could have put. Say this is it. Say this is my advising. Then I'll click Upload. It'll pop up right here. Maybe in a second it will. Yeah, there it is. Okay. And so then I will go up and click Publish Changes. So you're going to take those steps for all 4 of those modules. And every time you add something, you're going to click Publish Changes. If you do not, I cannot see it. If you want to see what can be looked at in your published view, I haven't published anything, so you can't see anything. So let me go and publish this because that's horrible. I'll delete it in a minute. Okay. Then I can click up here and switch it over to Publish View, and it'll show me what can actually be seen from people that are looking me up. Okay? So you can see that I haven't published any of my assignments. So what you want to do once you think you are finished is you want to change it back over to that Publish View, and you want to be able that you can see that 300-word introduction, that picture, and then those 4 module assignments. And if you can't, then you need to go back to edit mode, go back over here, and then click Publish Changes for whatever cannot be seen. So those are the steps you need to take in order to do this correctly. I hope that this is a smooth process for you all and you're able to complete it successfully. Thank you, guys.